A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is divine guidance and nature's nurture. Ladies and gentlemen, life on Earth, this unique and beautiful planet, is no mere coincidence. It is a masterpiece of cosmic magnificence crafted by the Master Creator. The universe, with its vast, unfathomable complexity, holds humanity as a purposeful part of the grand design. Two forces guide this journey: divine wisdom, offering moral and spiritual clarity, and Mother Nature, nurturing life with endless care and abundance. Ancient wisdom emphasizes that life's harmony lies in this sacred balance. The Bhagavad Gita beautifully expresses when one is devoted to their duties with steadfastness and grace, they find peace and fulfillment. This reminder encourages humanity to walk life's path with devotion, humility, and a deep sense of purpose, knowing that harmony comes when action is aligned with divine will and natural law. Human life, placed at the intersection of divine guidance and nature's abundance, is both a privilege and a responsibility. Scientifically, humans are designed for survival, creativity, and for growth. The body, with its self-healing capabilities, and the mind, with its boundless imagination, are testaments to the brilliance of creation. Emotionally, nature offers healing and comfort, whether through the soothing rhythms of waves, the quiet grace of forest, or the hopeful light of dawn. Psychologically, nature's influence is undeniable, reducing stress, improving mental clarity, and restoring emotional balance. Challenges are a fundamental part of life, yet struggles should not be seen as setbacks, but as opportunities for transformation. The Bhagavad Gita teaches, be steadfast in performing your duty and do not be swayed by success or by failure. Maintain equanimity. This wisdom gently reminds humanity that by focusing on right action rather than the fruits of action, inner peace and resilience can be cultivated in any circumstances. Those who choose to align with divine wisdom and live harmoniously with Mother Nature experience life's abundance in full. Respect for nature yields fruitful harvests, clean air, and a balanced ecosystem. When this harmony is disrupted, however, imbalances manifest, be it environmental crisis or societal challenges. trusting the Creator's design and cherishing Earth's gifts offer humanity the key to flourishing. What's the way forward? To live in harmony with the cosmic order, three guiding principles must be embraced. First, perform duty with devotion. Act with sincerity, grace, and steadfastness in fulfilling one's role, trusting that purpose will unfold as intended. Second, act with wisdom, courage, and with preparation. Face life's uncertainties with discernment, boldness, and readiness. Proper preparation lays the foundation for clear, confident action. Third, share positive energy to uplift others. Acts of kindness and encouragement create ripples of hope and unity, strengthening humanity's shared journey towards growth and fulfillment. These principles align with both divine wisdom and natural law. Together, they form a path for humanity to move forward with strength, clarity, and purpose. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the union of divine guidance and nature's nurture lies the secret to human flourishing. Challenges then no longer appear as obstacles, but as sacred opportunities for transformation and growth. When life is lived with devotion to duty and respect for the natural order, balance and fulfillment follow naturally. As the Bhagavad Gita profoundly states, whatever action is performed with dedication and selflessness becomes a path to liberation and peace. This timeless wisdom invites humanity to walk with intention, courage, and devotion, trusting that life's journey will lead to purpose and harmony. In choosing to align with divine will and cherish nature's rhythms, life's complexities transform into opportunities for grace. The path to fulfillment is clear. Perform duty with devotion, act with wisdom, courage, and preparation, and uplift others with kindness. By doing so, life's journey becomes one of peace, abundance, and shared hope for all. A journey not just of existence but of transcendence towards a higher purpose. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.